Ka Shillong ai Jinglehkmen bantip ye ka start ganang hagadong mingi jong Bhoi district kabla tip kum ga Little Flower Higher Secondary School kabla nakshanong Mawbri mentang sing la pun kut no ye ka jing rakhe ya ka Jubilee siar jong school nene ka jing rakhe ye ka jing ai lanti ka basan phosnam jong ka jing ai jing sekri ye ka thain borok away ban ai jing nang jing start ye ki pai ba kane ka thain haga jing penlong ya ka sngi penkut ya ka jing rakhe ya ka Jubilee siar jong school la penlong ya ka Jinglehkmen baper na ki khna school jong ne school kentup de na ki khna school barim jong ne school bat kabala nang penphu penpeng shushu ke de jing wan poi jong menteri rang ba ka jela u konrad kongkal sangma haga jing ran lang jong ki nong mikmat pai ba kentup ya u MLA u ba daman bai lamare u MDC u ba isine hing u badeiru u khna school barim jong ne school ki officer na ki thana sarkar baper na ki district kentup de ya Father Palestine Marbanyang ubri principal ka Little Flower Higher Secondary School Mawbri ubalong hagaju ko por uparish pris ka Mawbri parish nang ta ki nohikai ki khna school ki kimi ki khpa lemru bat ki nohikai barim ki bala shong thai naga kam hikai school hagane ka school la ban kado ban nadu snem ubalas dang ningkong ye ka school house nem shejar khandai spa nyo pusan ki bor pnya school ye ka bala pnya da ki nong ilam niam ka balang katolik lani ki bor ka balang katolik lami shibun ki riu shimpang ki bala la ban long ka jingshai jong ka than ka nuksa jong ka than bat kum juru ki nong trei ha ki sinat trikam ba pher jong sarkar kentup ki nong mikmat pai ba naga nehi ka constituency shushu kum ka jingpurom ye ka mansim jong ki nong hikai bat ki khna school ki bala khat no lapan long ye ka jing isngap jar ka bashim hinin nang ta ye ka bala pun bun da ka jingpun ku burom ye ki nong hikai ki bala shong thai naga kam kum juru ka jingpun ku burom ye ki khna school ki balawan shakmat ha ka jingpule ha ki kerdan ba pher bat ka jingpun lai pai ba ye ka kot thup sa kan mau la ne ka souvenir jong ka jing rakhe ye ka golden jubilee jong ka school bat ki wei haba ai jingkran u menteri rang ba ka jela konrat kongkal sangma ulaong haba yenu jor bat barok ki jela jong ri India barok away ka sarkar jong jela Meghalaya lala ban sakhi badai tang jela Meghalaya kabla ban Krishan Bha ye ki school sarkar bat kumjuru ye ki school ki balapnya dagi rushimen haka bada ki hajar klur ka sarkar kalapon mang jingirap ban sinapan Bha ye ki yang school shek school sarkar baper kentup de ye ki college hakaleng jela kabalong nagbantai Shillong ai Jinglehkmen jong sarkar ne ki bri trai dagi rushimen habakran halor ka jingyai lanti jong ka school Little Flower Higher Secondary School Mawbri ulong ba kamdei ka kam ka basuk ban paniat ya ka Shillong ai Jinglehkmen bat ka jingyai lanti ka basan posnam kamdei ka basuk bat ulai ya ka jingyero ya ki nong yelam bat ki bor bahlor jong ka balang katolik ka balashim jingkit kli ban paniat ya ki Shillong ai Jinglehkmen ba pher hakeleng ka jela bat kumjuru hakeleng gari haba jawab ya ka memorandum ka balai da ka school u menteri rang ba ulong bakum ke jingkersian ye kene ke Shillong ai Jinglehkmen ke bala ban peni ye ki kam ban sekri ye ki pai ba menta ke bala ya la san posnam on ai no ye ke jingrap ke ba arp san lak tengka kom ke jing sedang ban sina ye ke ying school ke bathamai ya ke bala penmang jingrap na ka chief minister special development fund ya ke ba on nang beteng ban penmang ki jingrap ki ba on senang ye kran ha ki por ki ban wan rengkan bar ki bor penia jong ke school
Sa education has always been a subject that is very close to my heart. My late father, he was a teacher, and he always spoke about the principle of ensuring that we should give good education to our children and to our people. That education is the only way that we can ensure that we take our state and our country forward. He believed in education, he invested in education, and based on his principle, today we as part of the government, leading the government, have made sure that we have given a real focus and attention to education. Education is not an easy sector. There are many challenges. There are many difficulties we face. But yet our government has taken many steps to change and to improve the overall education sector. In the last 7 years, thousands of crores have been invested for the education sector, where government school buildings, government colleges, government secondary, higher secondary schools, almost 90% of them have either been renovated or been given new buildings. Large number of schools have been supported with funds, whether in the form of ad hoc grants or whether in the form of deficit grants, where Meghalaya may be one of the only states in the entire country, and especially in the northeast, where we provide direct grant and support to private schools. You will be surprised to know that in states like Nagaland, in states like Mizoram and other smaller states in the northeast, government do not provide any grant to private schools. Whereas in Meghalaya, we are providing grants to over 7,000 schools, amounting to 1,200 crores every year in terms of salary grant. This speaks volumes of the kind of support and commitment that we have towards education. Just this morning, one of the important meetings I had was with the Association of the Ad Hoc School Teachers. As you know, they have been agitating for some time regarding their salaries. I met them today. I spent almost an hour and a half speaking to them. I understood their problems. I have always been very sympathetic and empathetic towards the concerns of the teachers. We have helped them in the past, but now we are working towards creating a much more stronger and a better mechanism to support the ad hoc teachers. I'm sure that with the decision that we took today, a very positive direction will be there for the ad hoc school teachers and also the other categories of teachers which fall under private schools but grant in aid being given by the government. We're working on a solution, and very soon the details of that will be out. But we had a very positive meeting, and I'm hopeful that with this decision we will actually see some sort of a permanent solution to the problem of ad hoc school teachers in our state. Having said that, I must appreciate the contribution that has been made by the Catholic Church, the missionaries, and also other churches and other denominations when it comes to education. We have always seen that our priests, our sisters, our brothers, and all those leaders of our faith have always dedicated themselves to the service of mankind. The education and the quality and the passion with which they have served the students, they have served the children, they have served the citizens of this region, of our state and of the country, is something that we must all appreciate. Therefore, I would like to especially give my sense of appreciation to the Catholic Church, the mission, all the fathers and sisters who have dedicated their life to our younger generation. And I say this with utmost sincerity because most of you know that even my family, my late father was brought up by the Catholic Church, by the priest. My grandfather passed away when my father was 8 years old. It is the fathers of the Catholic mission who picked him up, took him under their wings, gave him education, gave him food, gave him all the facilities. And because of their love, their prayer and their service, Mr. P.S. Samma became what he became. And because of what he became, we as his children were also blessed. Therefore, as a family, we will never forget the contributions that have been made by the Catholic Church to our family. And I take this moment to once again give that appreciation and to thank all our priests, our fathers, our sisters, once again for the dedication and the service that they've given. At the end, 50 years have passed for this school. It's been a long journey, and I'm sure it's been a very, very tough journey, but a very, very fulfilling and satisfying journey. Many people have played their part in the roles. In the past, the principals, the past teachers, the past members of the managing committee, the past pupils and the students, all of you have contributed to making Little Flower School what it is today. I take this opportunity to give my sense of appreciation to all the past teachers, the past pupils, the past principals, and all who have made Little Flower School what it is today. So I take this moment to thank all of you, and I wish Little Flower Higher Secondary School the very best for the future. And I hope that Almighty will continue to bless the school, bless the people working in the school, bless the students who are studying in the school, and all who are associated with this wonderful and this beautiful institution called Little Flower Higher Secondary School. I'm very happy also to announce that based on the memorandum that you've given to me, I cannot maybe give enough to be able to complete the project that you desire. But every long journey starts with a step. And I've always seen that when it comes to these kind of works and decisions, our fathers and our priests are one of the most efficient and best at ensuring that once they take a decision, they start the work. They know that God will bless them and God will bless us, and we will reach the destination that we have planned. But it must have the courage and the decision to start that journey. So I'm very happy today that the principal and our sister who announced this project about the new school building. I'm so happy that this decision has been taken. Father, I promise you that we will be with you and we will work together to see that this building is completed and we are fulfilling this particular desire and decision that you have taken. So to start the first step from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I am happy to announce a fund of 25 lakh rupees to be donated by me for the starting of this building. I know it's not enough, but we will work together and we will ensure that we are able to successfully complete it.
Agar jumpa Shillong berada di Hapdeng Jakarta jong. Tadi miro kecil kerpul bentar ni ke sekolah dan lepas pelawat dan secondary school. Bakalaya bentar di menjaga seni ke Jinglehkmen Perusnen. Pengikat mensekian miro hati por kismi di bangsawan. Mina yosu panrakne jaga Jinglehkmen jong ke sekolah jong ke property kemudian program ni ke bersama Mawbri ke jong. Now next time we go, when the poor jump into school, the little flower higher secondary school, kila bomba, kila school kibla pass ni kibla yo engan nam kibla prepare ada Jingkem ke jampi. Hado, kila mutam, ki krapakat, ki ringan, ki sesar, ki farmer, ki doctor, ki advocate, ki professor. Kita terus shadow support United States, USA, kita dan kita ada ni lepas negeri negeri school Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Ayah kata Jinglehkmen, jong Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Dan nanti mention show. Jadi kena kita ni ada sub ke phun line beli, dari kita line beli itu prepare. Hati por busu, hati Jingkem ke jampi. Ye termen sekali lo. Begini kita proud. Jauh kerana the phun ni boleh di IS, di IPS, di IFS. Kita berat lagi. Kita seni nampak balik ke school Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Hati por busu ni bangsawan. Hari kelana mungkin por. Mana pun cuma mungkin tentang tangga cinta cinta cinta. Ya baru kini di kelas sekolah kita mulai apa balik sekolah. Tolong kita teruskan. Ya kalau akan berpilih, tolong kita teruskan. Kita teruskan dengan pengisian, but long kita kurang yang kita bukai ke jampi. Kita bukai ke jampi. Kita bukai ke jinglehkmen stadium. Tapi lang berang kita bukai ke jampi. Kita melakukan berproses semua kan kita lain ke Jingkem ke jampi. Lepas bangga kita mulai ke Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Kadang lacu sopan pini kena kita prepare for passing ke school ke jampi. Bagaimana kita pernah dengan principal nama
ke Carnival Fest ke Bahenreo ha umsning. Laisni lenter Kendai Shipo bat Katway dari Kurisau Arhajar Arbusan Hamadan Umsning Town Dorbar. Labu ujung temu bagi pisah ke bami onirap syaga school Umsning Town Dorbar Secondary School. Nalor ke bam gedi ke ba on penbang pensinyam. Kindon ke jingpen bernya nak nongruai bapau ke jela. Ke hausi bumper ke lucky draw bat kiwai. Wan sepi, wan ma abahi, kata masa ste, tang bayarap ia ke school se. Nagbentai ke jingtip ki babanya, phun hagi number, Henry not, kendai, arnyau, lain nyau ar, lani, pranyau, non Henry sau, Henry nyau. Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur haki jing kawai jongpi, ne ki jing kendu sa kan mau jongpi, phun shangi. Ngin penle mangi katkum ke jingkwa jongpi kador ke babit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei
Pidankam projector ban peni film ne pidankam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei kendai hendru iwe ar nyau lai